Here's a full recipe for roasted red pepper and tomato soup. Ingredients: 1. 4 red bell peppers. 2. 6 ripe tomatoes. 3. 1 large onion, chopped. 4. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 5. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 6. 4 cups vegetable broth. 7. 1 teaspoon dried basil. 8. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 9. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 10. Salt and black pepper, to taste. 11. 1/2 cup heavy cream, optional, for a creamier soup. 12. Fresh basil leaves, for garnish, optional. Instructions. 1. Roast the red peppers and tomatoes. 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Cut the red bell peppers in half and remove the seeds and membranes. 2. Place them, cut side down, on a baking sheet. 3. Cut the tomatoes in half and place them, cut side up, on the same baking sheet. 4. Roast the peppers and tomatoes in the preheated oven for about 20-25 minutes or until the pepper skins are charred and the tomatoes are soft. 2. Peel and chop the roasted vegetables. 1. Remove the peppers and tomatoes from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. 2. Once they are cool enough to handle, peel the skin off the red peppers and chop them into smaller pieces. 3. Also, chop the roasted tomatoes. 3. Sauté the onion and garlic. 1. In a large pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 2. Add the chopped onion and sauté for 3-4 minutes until it becomes translucent. 3. Add the minced garlic and sauté for another minute until fragrant. 4. Combine roasted vegetables and onion mixture. 1. Add the chopped roasted red peppers and tomatoes to the pot with the sautéed onions and garlic. 5. Simmer with broth and spices. 1. Pour in the vegetable broth and add dried basil, dried oregano, paprika, salt, and black pepper. 2. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. 6. Blend the soup. 1. Use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot until it's smooth. 1. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can carefully transfer the soup in batches to a regular blender to puree and then return it to the pot. 7. Add cream, optional. 1. If you prefer a creamier soup, you can add 1/2 cup of heavy cream at this stage and stir to combine. 8. Serve. 1. Reheat the soup if needed and ladle it into serving bowls. 2. Garnish with fresh basil leaves, if desired. Enjoy your homemade roasted red pepper and tomato soup. You can serve it with crusty bread or a side salad for a complete meal.